In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an expense in QuickBooks. We'll start right inside QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, click the plus new button, then choose Expense. This opens a clean form where you'll record the details of what you paid and why, so your books stay accurate and organized. Begin with the payee. Type the name of the person or business you paid. Keeping payee names consistent helps with reports and makes it easier to find transactions later. Next, choose the payment account you used. This could be a bank account or cash. Picking the correct account matters because it tells QuickBooks where the money came from and keeps your account balances correct. Set the payment date to the day the money actually left your account. Accurate dates make your bank reconciliation smoother and your cash flow reports more meaningful. Select the payment method, such as bank transfer, credit card, or cash. This is helpful for tracking how you typically pay vendors and can make future reviews more efficient. In the Category Details section, select the expense category that best fits what you purchased. Common ones include utilities, rent, or office supplies. Choosing the right category ensures your profit and loss report reflects spending in the correct bucket. If you're unsure, pick the best match you regularly use for that type of cost and keep it consistent. Enter the amount you paid. In the description, add a short note that explains the purpose. Think of it as context for your future self or anyone reviewing your books. Clear descriptions save time when you're searching or answering questions later. If you have a receipt, you can attach it by uploading a file. A crisp photo or PDF works well. Attaching receipts keeps your documentation in one place and is helpful for audits and reimbursements. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close to record the expense. If you have more expenses to enter, choose Save and New to keep going without leaving the page. If your bank account is connected, you can also record expenses from your bank feed. Go to Transactions, then Bank Transactions. Find the downloaded transaction you want to review. If it matches an expense you already entered, choose Match to link them and avoid duplicates. If it's new, select Add, assign the appropriate category, and confirm it. Matching when possible helps keep your books clean and consistent. And that's it. Your expense is now recorded accurately in QuickBooks.